Hello students, how are you all? So I think you have completed your PT1 course, arithmetic and geometry both. So let's start with your half yearly syllabus of arithmetic. Clear? There are two chapters, negative numbers and integers and fractions. So first I will start with negative numbers and integers. Clear? Now, what does integer mean? So, all of you know about the natural numbers and whole numbers. Yes or no? Natural number starts from 1 to infinity and whole numbers it starts from 0. Clear? So, 0 itself is not considered as a number or digit. So, if you add 0 with any number, that then it has a value. Clear? So now about this integer chapter, what is the concept of integer? Integer means all the positive natural numbers are known as integers. Clear or not? Positive natural numbers. Now general way we can consider the positive natural numbers are what? Means positive natural numbers and the there will be like different natural integers also there, positive integers also, negative integers also, but positive integers and natural numbers are same. Clear? Now integers cannot be fraction or decimal. So there are only two types of integers. One is positive integers, another one is negative integers. Clear? Now suppose these are one diagram I have drawn. It's a 4 direction, north, south, east, west. Now suppose this is the starting point O, or you can say 0 O. So if you move towards right side from O, means towards east, you will consider this side as positive, and if you move towards west from O, you will consider this side as negative. Clear? Same way, if you move to the north, it will be positive. If you move to the south, it will be negative. Distance are same, like 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Same here also, 0 to minus 1, minus 1 to minus 2, minus 2 to minus 3. Clear? So this way we can represent the positive and negative integers with direction. Got my point? So here I have written like plus, positive 1, 2, 3, 4 are positive integers, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 so on are negative integers. Positive you can write in short form plus VE, negative you can write in short form minus VE. Clear? This one I am showing the integers with the direction. Now actually how to represent the integers with the number line. This line is known as the number line, both side arrow sign. Line concept I think you know everyone. So suppose here this midpoint, middle point you have considered 0, or you can consider 0 from here, whatever. 0 we consider as the starting point. Clear? So from 0 towards the right side, if you move towards right, all the integers are positive. And from 0 if you move towards left, all the integers are negative. Got my point? Now here some points I have written. You see, one by one I am explaining. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Though we consider 0 as the starting point, as I told you, 0 is a whole number, but it itself is meaningless. Clear? You cannot start writing any numerical figure with 0. It doesn't have any value. Clear? Same way, 0 is neither positive or nor negative. It is an integer, but you cannot consider it as a positive or negative integer. Got it? Next, every positive integer is greater than negative integer. Means what? Here I have given the example, 5 is greater than -2. It is true for all. That means every positive integer will be greater than the negative integer. Clear? Understood? Next point, 0 is less than every positive integer and greater than every negative integer. See the example. 0 is less than every positive integer but greater than every negative integer according to this number line. Means towards the left hand side of 0, whatever the digits are there, all are negative, and all these negative integers are what? Less than 0, and all these positive integers are greater than 0. Clear? Next, the negative of a negative integer is a positive integer. Means, see here example given. Suppose here I am giving -3. Clear? Here if you write, it is -3. So minus means what? Negative of a negative integer is it is I have given here positive. That means -3 if you add, it becomes what? +6. You will add or not? Here positive means you will add. -3 you will add. Yes or no? So it will be 6. Next, the negative of a positive integer is a negative integer. That means -5 plus 2 if you consider, it will be what? -3. One positive integer and one negative integer, if you do operation, what you will do? You will minus, you will do subtraction. Two negative integer, if you do operation, what you will do? You will do means plus, you will add. That's why it is given here positive integer. Clear? Same way, given the positive of a negative integer is may positive or negative integer. That means it depends on the example. Like if you consider 6 as positive and 8 as negative, then its value will be -2. But if you consider 6 as positive and 2 as negative, then its value will be +4. So sometimes it may negative also, sometimes it may positive also. Clear? Next, the greater the number, the lesser is its opposite. Means, suppose you take both positive integer 8 and 7, then 8 is automatically it will be greater than 7. Yes or no? But if you take both 8 and 7 as a negative integer, then -8 will be less than -7. Understood, student? This is the main thing of the integer. Greater the number, the lesser it is value for negative. That means -8 will be lesser than -7, but +8 will be greater than +7. Understood? This is true for all the negative and positive integers. And clear, students? So now in next concept is your absolute value. The absolute value of any positive integer or negative integer is always positive. Absolute value means actually this value we consider from 0 without mentioning regarding any direction. When you find out the absolute value, we will not see any direction in the number line, whether it is positive or negative. Its value will be always positive. Clear? And this is the symbol of absolute value. Module. Clear? We represent absolute value with this symbol. Suppose here example given, suppose plus. Inside this module symbol, this +5 is positive integer, so its value will be, absolute value will be +5. Suppose here it is -5, means negative integer, then also its value will be positive. Yes or no? But in some special cases, suppose this negative sign, it is outside of the module symbol. Clear? Then its absolute value will be minus. Means first you will consider this one positive of this absolute value +5, and because as this minus sign is outside of the module symbol, so it will be not be considered as a absolute value. So this minus sign will add separate, means it will be -5. Same here, if you consider absolute value of minus 5, so minus 5 will be plus 5, but more one negative sign is there outside of the absolute value module symbol. So this plus 5 and this minus, plus minus, it will be minus 5. Clear? So this is the basic concept of the integer. Now on the basis of this concept, I will start the first exercise in the next video. Clear students what I have told you? So and now one thing I want to tell you students, because I am getting some complaint from the guardians that though means you are doing the online classes with the mobiles or laptop, but whenever you are getting free time, then also you are busy with your mobiles or laptop. I told you repeatedly students, as you have to handle more with the mobiles or laptop, whenever you get free time, you give rest to your eyes. Clear? Otherwise you will face problem. So as you are at home, study your means seriously. Along with you take rest also. Help your parents also, do others work whenever you get free time. Do painting or something, dance or like a song, whatever. But don't always be with the mobile. Except the online classes, when online classes will be over, you give rest to your eyes or you be busy with your some other activity. Clear? Where mobile and laptop will be not be used. Understood students? So let's start exercise from the next video. Clear? Thank you.